Welcome to video 2 for Workshop 1. In this video, we will discuss the role of course objectives in the development and design of courses. We will also explore 3 different documents that can be used to plan your course. Course objectives are developed from the student learning outcomes on your syllabus. Objectives provide the blueprint for the course. Good course objectives enable us to determine exactly what learning needs to take place. This concept map illustrates how each lower-level objective and assignment aligns with one of the overarching course objectives. As you can see, each lower-level objective, in green, supports the achievement of a course objective. Each of the course assignments, highlighted in yellow, is aligned with a lower-level objective as well as the overarching course objective. One of the assignments, the Fields Notes, actually supports the achievement of 2 different course objectives. Notice, there are no assignments in the course that do not align with at least one course objective. The map in the previous slide illustrates one way to map out your course. This slide and the following slide illustrate a different way. This image shows a course design document for a health resources course that has 11 course outcomes. This image is the following page of the design document. It shows a table that illustrates the alignment of course outcomes with weekly readings, activities, and topics. The row for each week lists the lecture topics, the discussion prompts, the activities, and the readings for the week. Notice that the associated course outcomes are also identified in the row. By documenting each week of the course in this manner, you can ensure that all activities relate to at least one course outcome and also ensure that every course outcome is met at some point during the course. This slide shows another course planning document. This is the Understanding by Design course planning template. In Stage 1, we really examine the student learning outcomes and determine the important course concepts that students will be learning. At the top, each of the course goals is listed. Next, each of the essential understandings and questions are documented. The next box includes the course objectives that identify exactly what the students will know and be able to do at the end of the course or unit. Stage 2 documents how students will provide evidence that they have achieved each of the course objectives. Both performance tasks and other evidence, like quizzes, are listed. Stage 3 includes developing the learning plan that will support student achievement of the course objectives. Please take a moment to review the guided questions in the document. Things to think about. As you think about your new online course, consider, which of the 3 course planning documents do you feel most comfortable with? How is establishing course objectives and then developing the rest of the course content, in other words, designing backwards, different from the way that you've approached course development in the past? What advantages do you see in designing backwards?